Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy in MBBS in Russia. Anatomy is the cornerstone of medical education, providing the essential framework for understanding the human body. A solid grasp of anatomical structures is crucial for every medical discipline you will encounter. We will explore effective strategies to navigate the vast amount of information, ensuring you build a strong foundation for your entire medical career. Let's dive into practical steps to excel in this challenging, yet rewarding subject. Effective study techniques are paramount for success in anatomy. Hands-on experience with cadavers is invaluable. Spend as much time as possible in the dissection hall, observing and identifying structures. Drawing diagrams help solidify your understanding and recall. Furthermore, collaborating with peers in study groups allows for diverse perspectives and reinforces learning through explanation and discussion. Aim for at least 2 hours of focused study daily. Choosing the right resources is critical. A detailed textbook provides the theoretical background, while an anatomical atlas offers clear visual representations. Netter's Atlas is highly recommended for its superb illustrations. Supplement these with physical models and prosections, which offer a tangible, three-dimensional perspective. Online platforms can also provide additional explanations and quizzes, helping to reinforce your learning and identify areas needing more attention. To truly master anatomy, focus on long-term retention. Spaced repetition, using flashcards or apps, helps embed information into your long-term memory. Actively recalling information, rather than passively rereading, significantly improves retention. Always connect anatomical facts to their clinical relevance. Understanding why a structure is important makes it easier to remember. This approach will not only help you pass exams, but also prepare you for future medical practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.